Chapter 2. The Earth as a Globe. We have learned that the Earth is round in shape. It is difficult to see a round thing at a sight. Moreover, the Earth is so large in size that we cannot see all its parts at a time. The globe helps us to see the Earth as a whole. The globe. A model of the Earth is called the globe. It is shaped like a ball. It shows different cities, countries, mountains, rivers, and many other such things on the surface of the Earth. It has various colors. Some lines have also been drawn on the globe. The globe is usually mounted on a stand. A metal rod passes through its center. We can turn the globe easily round this rod. This metal rod is called the axis of the globe. Like the globe, the Earth too is not fixed. It moves round itself. It moves round its axis. But the Earth's axis is not any metal rod. It is an imaginary line going through the center of the Earth. We can see only one half of the globe at one time. The other half of it is away from our eyes. Limitations of the globe. Globe is very useful for us. It helps us to learn many things about the Earth. But there are some limitations to the use of globe. For example, we cannot show all places on the globe due to its small size. Moreover, landforms, roads, railways, and small places also cannot be shown on it properly and accurately. If we want to show all this properly and accurately, we will have to make a very big globe. But it is not easy and possible to carry such a big globe with us. We can solve this problem by drawing a map for our use. The map. A map is a drawing of the Earth on a flat surface. It shows different places on the Earth's surface. It can show all the Earth or only a part of the Earth. Maps can be of different kinds. A map can be made on paper. It can be big or small. We can hang big maps on a wall. Such maps are called wall maps. A map which shows the whole of the Earth's surface is called the world map. Limitations of the map. Maps are more useful than a globe, but maps can't show us the true shape of the Earth. The Earth is round in shape, but maps are drawn on a flat surface. The atlas. A book of maps is called an atlas. It has many different maps in it. It can have in it maps of the world, maps of continents, maps of countries, and many other maps. Continents. Look at the map of the world given below. This map shows all the land and the water area on our Earth. The land areas have been shown brown in color and the water areas have been shown sky blue in color. From the map, you will find that the land areas are not linked to each other. They are not continuous either. The water areas fall in between them. These water areas have divided the land surface of the Earth into 7 large continuous areas. These are known as continents. The large area of the world consists of 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia, and many thousands of islands. Our country Bharat lies in Asia continent. Bharat is located in the southern part of Asia. Asia is the largest and Australia is the smallest continent. Each continent has several countries in it, but the Australia continent forms one single country. The continents of Asia and Europe form one land mass. It is sometimes called Eurasia too. Oceans. Observe the map and you will find that the continents divide the entire water area into 4 big divisions. These divisions are called oceans. The names of the 4 main oceans of the world are the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. For most part of the ocean remains frozen. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest of all the oceans. The Bharatiya Ocean is the smallest of all the oceans. Besides these four main oceans, there is also Antarctic Ocean or the Southern Ocean. It is an extension of the Pacific, Atlantic and Bharatiya Ocean. Apart from these land and water areas, there is a coat of air all around the earth. Thus, we see that the earth has land, water and air on it. These are called the three realms of the earth. Directions. The directions are an essential element of a map. Every map must show the directions. We can locate the different continents, oceans, countries, cities, places, etc. only with their help. All maps follow the four main directions. These directions are the east, the west, the north and the south. Now look at this map of Bharat. If you are standing in front of this map, its upper end shows the north, the lower end shows the south, to your right is the east, to your left is the west. All maps show these four directions. Scale. All maps are made to scale. For example, a map shows a scale 1:20 lakh. It means that 1 centimeter on the map indicates an actual distance of 20 kilometers. Now you know a model of the earth is called the globe. A map is a drawing of the earth on a flat surface. A book of maps is called an atlas. There are 7 continents and 4 oceans on the earth. All maps follow the 4 main directions. These directions are the north, the south, the east and the west. Keywords: globe, a very small model of the earth; map, a diagram representing a part or all the earth's surface; axis, an imaginary line passing north-south through the middle of the earth; continent, large piece of land masses; ocean, large part of water; realm, kingdom.